Today we're going to be doing a full paint job on Bella, and the kids are going to get involved making stickers and installing the stickers. I hope you enjoy what's coming, but before we do that, I want to show you some clips from our recent camping trips in Utah. Hope you enjoy. Hiking to the top of Bald Mountain sure was fun. Hey, if you guys have ever visited any of these spots in Utah, or would like to in the near future, leave a comment below and let me know what you think. I love traveling, we love camping, and just love showing you guys this kind of stuff we do. So I hope you enjoyed today's episode. So I went ahead and prepped these panels so I can paint them. I cleaned them, and then I scuffed them with 400, and then I scuffed them by hand on the edges where I couldn't get with a red Scotch-Brite pad. And then I blew them off, cleaned them again, this time with plastic cleaner, and now I've sprayed them with plastic adhesion promoter. So now they're ready for a sealer coat and the color coat, and then the clear after that. Well, there they are, all painted and cleared and looking pretty. Let's take a look. Here's the gas tank cover. Front fender. Rear fender. I think it's gonna look pretty sweet when it's all put together. Now keep in mind, I'm gonna have some stickers made that'll go on there so it doesn't look so plain, but she's starting to look good. I'm excited. Right now I've got the boys helping me out making stickers. We're just doing a simple clip art on the computer and erasing things and drawing things, and later we're gonna have the girls do a sticker apiece as well, and so we'll have 4 stickers, 1 for each fender, and it'll just be something cute that they come up with. The boys have their stickers pretty much done now. Does the bear have a name?
No.
Bryson, how's yours coming?
Good.
It's no longer on fire, but it's creating fire, so that's good.
So
Nice. The girls are working on their stickers, and they're almost done. Looks like Bridget has a fox on her ATV, and Macy has a polar bear. Nice. So you have an idea of how I'm doing these stickers. I'm using stickeru.com, and save your file as a PNG so your panel will show through in these clear sections here if you want clear stickers. If you don't want clear stickers, then you can use other options there. But it looks like each of my stickers is going to cost about $11 to $12, which is fine. Fits in my budget. Make sure you have it measured correctly. I measured my panels, and 5 inches by 4.5 or 4 1/4 will fit just fine. And there's all different sorts of stickers you can make, so have fun with it. The other thing you need to remember with these clear stickers is a lot of the white on your stickers won't show up on the sticker when you upload it. So like the underside of this fox here is clear. They have a section for special instructions. So I wrote the underside of the fox should be white, not clear. Hopefully they get that and make the correction. We'll see. Cross your fingers. Alright. Okay, so what are we going to do today?
Put the stickers on the ATV. Yeah.
Yep. So each kid has a sticker and in there, and we're going to slap them on the fenders. Each kid gets a fender. All right, let's do this.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna do Macy's first.
Is it because I washed my hands? You can see through the back. Gotta show it. Okay. Okay. I didn't see that.
Spread from the inside to the outside.
I just like sitting right here.
And there's Miles' sticker. Alright, so these two wheels need to be even with that line. Push from the inside to the out. It pushes the bubbles out.
You did it.
Okay, this is a transfer sticker. This is the name of our project here, Polar Bear Express. And what you do is you take the two pieces apart and the sticker is stuck on it backwards. And you get this part wet with water and alcohol mix. It's like 10% alcohol, water mix. You get your surface wet as well. And then figure out where you're going to place it. There. Okay. Good. Right there will work. And press down on it when it's right where you want it. It gets all the water out and all the bubbles out. And once it's all squeegeed and you get all the bubbles out, you just peel it off. Just take it slow in case you missed a spot and it starts to peel the sticker off. You can stop and do some more squeegeeing. There it is. Now we'll do the left side of the ATV. Hi Bryson.
Hello.
So we're gonna put Bryson's sticker on now. We run into a little bit of a problem here. It's off to get it to fit here. What do you think? Should we put it sideways unlike the other ones or cut a little bit of the flames off?
Yeah, it's pretty close, but I mean, you could just put it like this. 'Cause it's,
Press in the middle and work your way to the outsides to get the bubbles out. Okay. What do you think about the rest of it?
oh, looks really good. I like the color you chose.
What about the gas tank?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, looks really nice. Where'd you come up with Polar Bear Express?
You guys came up with that. All right, one of these days we'll have to take it out when it's not so cold. See how it does. The wheels are ready to paint. I'm gonna paint them black. Watch. Whoosh. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. You guys didn't think I would leave without showing you the final product, did you?